To be great at sales, it's not just about knowing how to close, but just as importantly, it's also about knowing when to close. Now, all good salespeople have a selling sequence, and we use this to great effect, from building rapport, qualifying, presenting, and then eventually going for the close. However, there are some prospects out there that will get sold fast. So if we keep on talking instead of closing, then we're going to run the risk of buying it back. The problem a lot of us have is we get so wrapped up in our selling sequence that if the prospect suddenly wants it before we're through, we just won't let them have it. Now, as obvious as this seems, we just need to be very cognizant of this by keeping an eye out for certain buying signals that we should be able to tell if our prospect is ready to buy now. And these buying signals can come in non-verbal or verbal cues. So let's have a look at some of the non-verbal ones. So you might see a very relaxed demeanour, increased eye contact, rubbing of their chin, leaning forward and crossing arms, nodding and agreeing, and showing enthusiasm. Just generally good, positive body language. And the biggest giveaway of them all is you might see them holding their credit card in their hand. And if they do this, you might want to shut up, take the card off them, and then do the obligatory paperwork. Now, when it comes to the verbal cues, you might see one or two of the following. Increased questions about details about the product or service you're offering, or requests to see the features demonstrated maybe a second or even a third time. Another good sign that your prospect has taken mental ownership is when you hear questions about customization of options, delivery schedules, or payment terms. But whatever the cues are, just be cognizant that some buyers do get sold fast. And if you feel that's the case, then there's no harm in just going straight for the assumptive close. So there you are, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as I always say, if you like the content I'm putting out there, please go ahead, give me a follow, give me a like, and as always, good sales.